Good evening, fam. This video is too short to be a long, full-length video, and also too long to be a short. So we cut it right in the middle so I don't have the intro. Let me show you what I did. Okay, look. I made a display shelf for my trains. Now this is the first one of 6. Okay? And basically I was looking on Amazon one day and I noticed they had these shelves that you use to put pictures on. I started looking at them and I thought, well, they got a little lip right here, and then you could use the Kato Unitrack, and then you could basically see them right above the top of the lip. And they were easy to install. Basically, they use drywall anchors, but this isn't going to be that heavy. So if you look what I did, I used Kato Unitrack bumpers so it doesn't fall off on both sides. And so basically these are 6 feet long. So I've got 3 feet long for a total of 6 feet. So what I did is I used the bumper, I think they're like 14 inches, another 14 inch, and then I used another like 4.5 inch there. Can't see it in my shadow. And then I went back and used 2 more 14 inches and a bumper. And it came out just right. So I wanted to test it to see what the cars looked like on it, and I'm very happy with it. So what I'm going to do is put another 5 shelves up, but I'm going to obviously have to take the cars off so I don't damage them if I drop something. But yeah, I was looking for a display case, and it's really hard to find a display case that's big enough to, hold 6 foot wide by, 5 foot tall. But basically, I'm going to use 6 total shelves, and this works for me, and they went up pretty quick. But as I would encourage anybody, measure twice, cut once. Measure twice, cut once, do it a lot. So anyway, that's what I worked on, and I'll have a link to where I got the shelves in the description below. All right, thanks.